वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to season 2 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed that one stormy night, Baba Amar Das ji was on his way to his seva when he fell near a weaver's pit. The weaver's wife had called him Nithava. And my friends, as already seen and known, a Guru's Sikh has so much power that whatever they say happens. Similarly, Baba Amar Das ji had casually called her mad woman over her disrespectful remark, but she actually became mad. She began to break utensils in the house, speaking illogically, wandering as if possessed. The very arrogance that had made her mock a servant of the Guru now shattered her own mind. In 12 years of his seva, Baba Amar Das ji had gained all that. This is the power of Naam, and yet he was only keen for his Guru's service. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 26, Har har kanth jini pehriya, Gur charani chitlai, Tena pichhe riddh siddh fire, Ona til na tamai. Meaning, those who are engrossed in remembrance of Almighty and focus their consciousness on Guru's feet, they are blessed with wealth, prosperity, supernatural powers, and the nine treasures. But they do not care for such things at all. Now, moving back to the episode. By the morning, the weaver had brought his wife before Guru Angad Dev Ji. His hands folded in humility, he said, Maharaj, forgive us. He pleaded, My wife spoke against your beloved servant, Baba Amar Das Ji. Now she has lost her mind. We had no idea the power he holds. Please, we seek your forgiveness. Friends, Guru Angad Dev Ji was the knower of all hearts. He already knew what had happened, yet he chose to ask the weaver of what had occurred. The weaver told everything. By the time Guruji had called Baba Amarji and asked the truth, with his voice shivering, Baba Amar Das Ji then said, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, ठाव पाए कर थिर है न तब लगो निथावा पटकत मिर्ग तृष्णा बिखै कित शांत न पावा जब तुमरी सेवा रुचिर की तर्क जुलाही सही गई न मोते बौरी तब प्राही meaning my lord every word he speaks is true. Yes, once I was Nithava, without peace, without direction, wandering aimlessly. But then I found you, my Guru. I found the shelter of your divine feet. She could have said anything about me. I would not have minded. But she doubted your greatness. How can anyone be Nithava when they stand in the presence of their Guru? That, my lord, I could not bear, and so I called her Kamali, mad, because who else but a mad woman could fail to see the infinite grace that radiates from you? My dear friends, such was the humility of Baba Amar Das Ji. Being a true devotee, he just needed his Guru's holy feet. His heart couldn't bear the disrespect of his Guru. Hearing such words and seeing the love of his beloved devotee, Guru Angad Dev Ji embraced him and blessed him by saying, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, तुम हो निथावन थान, कर हो निमाणय मान, बिन ओट की तुम ओट, निद्रेन की तिरकोट, बिन जोर के तुम जोर, सम को ना है तुम होर, बिन तीर को बर तीर, सब पीर के बड पीर, तुम हो सो गई बहोड़, नर बंद को तह छोड़, कड़प निंदे समरथ, जग जीव का तुम हथ. Meaning, Guru Angad Ji's words then shook the heavens, and then Guruji gave 12 blessings to Baba Amar Das Ji that would define his legacy as, O Amar Das, you are not homeless. You are the home for the homeless. You are the strength of the weak. You are the power of the powerless. You are the refuge for those who have nowhere to go. You are the shelter of the shelterless. You are the light in the darkness. You are great. You will be the respect of the disrespected. You will be the king of kings, the saint of saints. You will be the greatest of all. Guruji then further said, with unwavering conviction, that among all, Bhai Amar Das alone possessed the virtues worthy of Guruship: true humility, tireless seva, and complete surrender to the Guru's will. Guruji then addressed the Sangat as mentioned in Suraj Prakash. इसमें मोह में भेद न कोई, अहै एक की दे जो दोई, विदित भय गुर संगत माही, गुर श्री अमर अपर होए नाही. Meaning, from this day forward, he shall be known as Guru Amar Das Ji. There is no difference between him and me now. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1401, लहणे पंथ धर्म का किया, अमरदास भले को दिया. Meaning, Lehna established the path of righteousness and dharma, which he passed on to Guru Amar Das. Friends, Gurdwara Thada Sahib exists at the place where Guru Amar Das Ji hit the wooden peg. Even though many say this was the final test before Guru Amar Das Ji was chosen as Guru, but I believe it was not a test. It was a moment where his humility, love, and unwavering commitment shone brighter than ever before. It was the moment that proved that true greatness is not achieved in an instant. It is built over years of selfless dedication. Baba Amar Das Ji did not become great because of one moment. He was great because of everything he had done leading up to it. That moment was simply the world's way of witnessing the greatness that had always been there. Tune in next Tuesday as Baba Amar Das Ji receives Guruship and becomes the third Guru. I hope this brings some light into your lives. Thank you.